Seth, and today I am back at that little lake in Jackson County. I've already been fishing for several hours. A buddy of mine actually showed up. I didn't know he was coming, which is cool. So I've been able to talk with somebody. But when I first got here, there was a couple people in the spot that I normally go to, so I was forced to go to the left a little. And I've been doing phenomenal with nice bluegills and pretty decent crappies. I popped about a dozen holes. I've been hole hopping. Doing all right. Pretty much as soon as on the drop, as soon as the grub or the waxy gets down there, boom, they're on it. So it's been fun. It's one of them days. It's snowing out. I just came into the car to get warmed up and basically do my intro here. I've been here since about 9-ish, a little after 9, I'm not positive, but it's 11:45 now, and we've been doing really good. I just wanted to get in here, do a little charge on my camera, and head back out. So I'm hoping to get back out there here in the next 10 minutes and get on it some more, because this is crazy. It's crazy good today. I'm loving it. The fish are hammering. The fish are hammering today. Before the snow started flying, they were super aggressive. And then right when the little tiny flakes started, they got a little finicky. But then now it's just full-fledged snowing, and you can pretty much go from hole to hole and you're catching fish yet. So it's just wild. It's crazy. Stay tuned. I'm having a blast. Tight lines, guys. There's another one. A little bit smaller. Comes another one. Got him. Another smaller one. Still another one down there. Got him. It's something smaller, I think. Maybe. Oh, it's a big gill. Really big gill. Wow. Wow. He just hammered it too. Very big gill. Oops. Very big gill. Very nice. Oh, it's another decent crappie. But not keeping that small fish. There's a taker. Oh, this one feels nice. This is a bluegill, I think. Yep, another nice bluegill. Tanker. Oh yeah. Well, if I'm the only one out of 4 people on this lake that are catching fish, then man, I feel pretty privileged. Because this is fun. This is a lot of fun. Here comes one. He's on. Oh, he let go. No. I can't really complain. I've already caught a lot of fish. All of them on camera except the very first one. Another not so bad crappie. Not so bad. Not big enough. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice fish. Oh yeah. Big bluegill. Big bluegill. Wow. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, not yesterday, but that was last weekend already. That was Saturday.
Yeah, I know.
You let that one go?
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's 15 in the main.
Hey, that's cool.
I didn't feel like pulling any fish.
Right.
Right. Fish in my freezer that are starting to go bad. I got big ass salmon in there.
Yeah, you gotta cook that puppy up. Mmm. That looks nice. That's a bluegill. Oh, it's a nice crab. Well, decent. Small, but not keeper. You said, did you keep that one?
No, I'm not sure of that.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if I get any decent ones, I'll keep them for you.
Oh, no, that's fine. I was just wondering if you were gonna.
No, I just wanted fish.
Mm.
Fish, man. Jonesing for some fishing.
Me too.
I was all happy. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get another day up on Seth, so I don't fall so far behind.
This is my 5th.
Yeah, this is my 3rd.
This is my 5th outing. Dexterville was a sloppy mess.
Today or?
Last Sunday. It was cold as shit out. Dexterville was a sloppy mess. Oh my god.
That's a bluegill.
That's a big bluegill there. Wow, dude, that's a tanker. Nice fish.
Yeah.
That's a keeper for sure right there. I got a pile of them over there.
You want them?
Yeah, I'll take him. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's, yeah.
Perfect eater size.
That's,
He's not so big that you feel bad that
Yeah.
you take him out of the water, but
that's a beautiful bluegill. They moved over here, huh?
I think they're just kind of cruising around.
I can't believe the size of the bluegills in here again.
Hopping in
Yeah.
a circle. I mean, I don't have the patience to sit and wait for him to come back after we have medical chase.
Right. Yeah, I haven't moved a hole yet. I popped like a dozen holes and haven't gone to a single other one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice gill. Holy crap.
See, that's what I like about hopping like that.
Yeah. Right.